Hello guys, in this video, we're going to see how to reduce any image size by using MS Paint. Let's get started. Let's assume you want to reduce this image size. First, right-click the image file and select Edit. Now, the image is opened with MS Paint. See, initially the file size is 7.9 MB. Now click Resize option under the Home tab. A Resize and Skew window will appear. Select Percentage option. Ensure the tick mark and maintain aspect ratio checkbox. Change the horizontal percentage value to 20. Click the OK button. Now click the File tab. Select Save As. Choose Desktop. Enter the file name as jpeg1. Select JPEG and save as type. Click the Save button. Now see, the file size is reduced to 897.8 kilobytes. That's all guys. You have successfully reduced the image size using MS Paint itself. Please subscribe to our channel to watch more videos. Thanks for watching.